When I just want something nice and light to eat, I love making this salmon bowl. I just love salmon to begin with, so if I could eat this once a week, I'm happy. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Shirani. Today I'm going to show you how to make this delicious salmon bowl. To my pan set over medium heat, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of oil. I'm going to add my salmon fillet to that I season with salt and black pepper. You don't need a whole lot of seasoning for this because you're going to make a sauce to go with it. Let this cook for 4 minutes on the first side, and then you're going to flip it over and let it cook for another 3 minutes. I love making this because it doesn't take long to cook at all. As you know, fish don't take long to cook. As always, I'm going to have the exact measurements in the description box below for you. If you're new here or you've been following me for a while, I started a new channel called Cooking with Shirani Shorts. So go check it out, go subscribe to the channel, go give it some love. I would love to have you over there. Okay, to that same pan, I'm going to add half cup of soy sauce, a 1/4 cup of rice vinegar, and a 1/4 cup of honey. Give that a stir and let that cook for 5 minutes. After the 5 minutes is up, you're going to put back your salmon in the pan and let that heat through for a minute on each side. To serve it up, I like to take my salmon and put it on a bed of rice and take some of that sauce and pour it over it. That just makes it so good. On the side, I'm going to add some of my creamy cucumber salad, and I have this recipe up on my channel. If you're interested, I'm going to leave it linked below for you. This salad is so good. It's light, it's creamy, it's fresh, and it just goes so perfect with the salmon. The last thing I'm adding to this side is some edamame because I love that. Of course, this is just to give you an idea what you could have on the side, or you can make it exactly the way I make it. It's really good, but this is all up to you. You can add anything you want to your bowl, but this is what I love at the moment. When I say I love this and I could eat this every week, I really mean it. Let me know in the comments what's your go-to bowl that you like to make. Maybe you can give me some ideas so I could try yours, and if I try it, I'll let you know. As always, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for being here. I'll talk to you in my next one. Take care. Bye.